Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Data. So in this video, we are going to see what is channel in team and types of channel and overview about the channel in team. The lesson plan would be going to what are channel in team and the types, how to create, edit, remove channels and memberships, manage team channel settings, create and manage team policies for channels. So everything we are going to see in a live demo step-by-step process. Okay. So before that, we will see what are channels in Teams and types. In Microsoft Teams, channels are dedicated conversation spaces within a team used to organize discussion, share files, and collaborate on specific topics or projects. Channels help keep conversation structured, make it easier to find information and follow discussions. So, for example, channels sit inside of teams. Teams are made up of channels, which are conversation you have with your teammates. Channels sit inside teams, similar to how files sit inside the folder. So this is the one good example. So for example, in your computer, you create a folder. Inside that folder you put all your files, right? Same like that in Microsoft Teams, you create a team and you create under the team, inside the team you create multiple channels. So that's how the teams hierarchy is formed. You can see in this screenshot. If you see in the screenshot, this Mark 8 project team is a team. Under that team, there are channels. If you see, there are channels. Design, digital asset web, go-to marketing plan, research and development. These are all the topic-based channels created. So anything related to design, design people will be coming into this channel and do the discussions, share files, collaborate, everything. So that is the purpose of creating channels under a team, right? So as I mentioned before, channel exist within teams. So these channels are exist within this team. Got it? Okay. Types of channels. So there are three types of channels. What are the types of channels? Standard channels, private channels, and shared channels. The definition about the standard channels, private channel, and shared channels are here. Standard channel is open to all team members for general discussion on topics. Okay, so as soon as you created standard channel, anyone in the organization can view the channel and can join the channel. It is open for all team members. Private channel is restricted to specific team members for sensitive and confidential discussions. Only owner can invite the people. Only invited people can view the channels. So that's how it is work. So for example, before that, shared channels. Shared channel is nothing but no shared channel. If you want to collaborate, and extend your discussion with your external partners or external organization, then you have to create a shared channels. With shared channels, you will be able to collaborate with the external partners and organization. So that's how it says, allow external partners or organization to collaborate with your team. So standard channel will be looking like this. If you see standard channel, so this is the marketing, this is a team. Under that there are multiple channels. If you see here, standard channels are available to all team members. And the private channel, so private channel will be looking like this. So see, for example, this legal is a private channel with the lock symbol. It represents the private channel. Private channels are for specific people who have been invited. So that's how it is works. So every team has a general channel. If you see this general channel, whenever you create a new team, by default, one channel will be created along with that team. That is by default created by Microsoft in the name of general, that you cannot delete or modify. That is by default created. Every team has a general channel. Now, so how to create, we will see how to create, edit, remove channels and manage the membership. These are all the steps for creating the channel. These are all the steps for editing the channel. These are all the steps for managing the membership of that channel. So all these things we will see step by step in a live demo. Okay. For that, open any one of the Microsoft browser. I'm opening Edge browser and typing portal.microsoft.com. Access portal.microsoft.com. So when you log into this portal.microsoft, it will take you to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. In Microsoft 365 Admin Center, on the left side pane, click on Show All and select Teams. Click on Teams. That will take you to Microsoft Teams Admin Center. You can also directly access this admin.teams.microsoft.com to access the Teams Admin Center. So in the Teams Admin Center, click on Expanded Teams and select Manage Teams. So if you see here, these are all the couple of teams which I have already created. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not only going to create a channel, I'm going to create a new team. Under that team, I'm going to create the channel. So step by step, we will see one by one. So first I'm going to create a new team. Okay. So under Manage Teams, click on Add and create a team. Create a team in the name of Channel Demo Team. This team is created to demo channel. Okay, by default, I'm the owner of this. I'm going to create this as a public team. This team is created for the demo channel. Okay, so I'm just going to click on apply. A new team will be created. Yeah, so if you see here, new team has been created in the name of channel demo team. So inside this team, I'm going to create a channel. So inside this team, see, these are all the channel. Sorry, this is the team. By default, I am a member of this team. I'm going to make myself as a owner of this team. Okay, now I'm going to create a channel. I'm going to create a channel. For that, click on channel, click on add, and then type channel. So as I told you before, there are three types of channel, right? Standard channel, private channel, and shared channel. First, I'm going to create a standard channel, which is open to all team members for general discussion. For that, I'll just name it in the same way, standard channel. The channel name is ST, standard channel. Standard channel. So here you see multiple options, private, standard, shared. So I'm going to create as a standard channel. Select standard and just click on apply. It is very simple. Just type these three options and then click on apply. Now you see standard channel is created. Now, how can you view this channel? You can view this channel in the Microsoft Teams client. Go to Microsoft Teams client. One second. Let me log out and log in again. Yeah. So if you see, I have logged into the Microsoft Teams client. In the team client, click on Teams. And if you see, the team which I have created in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center, that is here in the name of channel demo team. So after that, inside that team, I have created one channel, standard channel, right? So this is the standard channel. So if you see standard channel means it is open to all team members for general discussions and topics, okay? So next, what I'm going to create is I'm going to create a private channel. This private channel, I'm not going to create using Microsoft Teams Admin Center. I'm going to create by using the Microsoft Teams client itself. For that, just go to click channel demo team and click on this three dot button and then click on add channel. If you add channel, you see here, right? You have to create the channel. First, write the channel name, private channel demo. Okay, private channel demo. And I'm here, there is an option for me, same like there in the Teams Admin Center. Here also I have an option. Here, what are the options? Standard, shared channel. So standard I have already created. Now I'm going to create a private. Click on this private, create, yes. See, channel is getting created. So it is asking me to add members if you want. So I'm going to just click on skip as of now and see the private channel is created. If you see the log symbol, which means this channel is private. Only the people who are invited to this channel will be able to do the collaboration, send files and chat, everything that they can do. So this is standard channel and a private channel. Then next we will create one more channel using Microsoft PowerShell. Okay, for that, click on Start menu, open Microsoft PowerShell, run as an administrator. So in the PowerShell, clear everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect with Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams module I have already installed, hence I'm directly connecting to Microsoft Teams. Type the command connect -, Microsoft Teams and then just click on enter, and it will ask you to enter your credentials. My credentials are preloaded, so it got connected. See, it got connected to my tenant Kunoyas at clouddata81 on Microsoft.com. Okay, now I can check get command -now and star in between channel. What are all the commands available for creating the channel that we can see here? See, there are a couple of commands. Here you see new team channel command is also available. So using this command, I am going to create a new team channel. So before creating channel, any channel you create, you have to create under one team, right? So for that, you have to know the group ID of that team. For that, type this command, get team, and hit enter. It will provide you the list of teams that in your organization. So here we are going to create a new channel under this team, channel demo team. For that, copy this group ID and then type new team channel -group ID, paste the group ID -display name, display name of the channel. Okay, this is going to be a PowerShell shared channel. Okay, PowerShell shared channel, and membership type would be shared. Membership, one second. What we'll do now? power PowerShell command to create a channel. So if you go here, you will have all list of how to create a channel. So display name, membership type would be private or okay. So what are the membership types which are available? Standard, shared, and private. Okay, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use shared. Okay, new team channel, group ID, display name, membership type, shared. Just hit enter. Fine. So if you see, new channel is created in the name of PowerShell shared channel. Just go to Microsoft Teams client again. You see, as soon as there it got created, it got reflected here as well. So this is the shared channel which we have created. This is the private channel which you have created using Microsoft Teams client. This is the standard channel which we have created using Teams Admin Center. All right. So you have also seen how to create a channel using Microsoft Teams Admin Center, Microsoft PowerShell, and Microsoft Teams client. And you know the difference between all these channels. If you don't know, just go through. You see, standard channel, open for all, private channel, restricted members only, shared channel, allow external partners. So see, let us also explore how how to manage the membership. For example, now I am logged in as a Guna, yes, as a clouddata.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as a Landchris, another user, and see whether I am able to see this standard channel, because this standard channel is open to all for everyone in the organization, right? I'm going to check whether I'm going to log in as other user, and I'm going to check whether I am able to see this standard channel or not. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as a user of, let me select one user. I log in as a Landchris. Okay, this is the Landchris email address. I'm going to open Ignito browser and type teams.microsoft.com. Teams.microsoft.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as a Landchris. Click on next. Excuse me. Type the password. Ask later. Still signed in. See, if you see here, go to Teams. There are no teams that I can see. Yeah, it started. So there are no teams that I can see which is created in the name of what? Created in the name of channel demo team. I should be able to see, right? Because this is public team, right? So what I will do now, I will just go to the teams again and then click on this press signal and join a team. See, you see here, channel demo team, which is visible for everyone. You have to click on this plus button and then you have to add. Click on join team and then click on this join team. Now the team you have joined in this team. Now go to Teams button again. You see channel demo. You have added, you have joined this team and you are able to see the standard channel. Standard channel means it is open for everyone, open for all team members. You understood, right? So standard channel. I am not, but see, if you see here, I am not able to see the channel in the name of private shared demo. I'm not able because it is private channel. So for that, what you have to do now, I'm going to invite Landchris here, add member and type Landchris and click on add. Added. Start a post. I have invited the Landchris. Now I am going again. See, I am in the Landchris credentials. If you see, I can see private channel demo. As soon as I invited the Landchris, the channel is visible here in this Landchris Teams client. So this is how we have to manage the membership. So we have seen how to create channels and how to edit channels and manage the membership, everything. So yes, next what we are going to see is how to manage the policies for the channels. For that, you have to go to, Teams Admin Center. In the Teams Admin Center, under Teams, you see Teams Policies. After you click on Policies, there you see an option called Manage Policies. Under Manage Policies, you see one policy which is by default created by Microsoft, which is global organization wide default. So this is applied by default to everyone. This is applied by default to everyone. So when you do modification here, it applies globally to everyone. What you have to do, right? You have to create a new policy. So you have to create a new policy. For that, team, I'm going to name that policy restricted demo policy. Restricted demo policy. And I'm going to profile. So here, after you do this, the anyone cannot be, so whoever is to whoever this policy is applied, those users will not be able to create private channels or shared channels, invite the shared channels, anything they cannot do. So I'm going to create a restricted demo policy and then just click on apply. So new policy is created. So this policy you have to apply to somebody, right? So for that, you create a group policy assignment. Under group policy assignment, click on add and select the group. So it's because of there is no group is created. I'm going to go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and I'm going to create a group. For that, go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center under Teams and Group, select Active Team and Group and select Team plus Microsoft 365 Group and click on Add Team. And type restricted demo group. Okay. Restricted demo group I have created. Click on this next. Owner by default, I'll be owner. Click on next. Members, I'll add Landchris. email address, restricted demo group, restricted demo group, email address, it is public. Click on next. And let me check a couple of things. Restricted demo group. Add a team. It is great. Okay, new team is created. Click on close. Now go to 365 admin center. Cancel this. Refresh this page. Team policy, group policy assignment. Click on add. Select the group. Here, type restricted demo group. See, restricted demo group is here. Added here. Select the policy, restricted demo policy, and click on apply. Assignment will take time to effect. Click on confirm. So assigning the policy restricted demo policy to restricted demo group is successful. Okay. And now what you have to do, right? Go to Teams client again. If you see restricted demo group. So I'm trying to create a new channel, private channel. Let us see if I'm able to do it or not. If you see here, select private channel. Okay, the changes is not effective still now. It will take some time. I logged in again the Teams client. So if you see, I have logged in. So again, I'm going to restricted team group. And what I'm going to trying to do is I'm going to create a private channel. So click on add channel and type try to create private channel and see private channel option itself is not visible because it has been restricted through group policy. So that's how it works. This is how you have to manage the policies, in the group. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to remove the policy now. For that, select this and remove the policy. So policy has been successfully removed. So this is how you have to. So what all we have seen is we have seen how to create a new team and what are the types of teams. We have created multiple channels under the teams, and all the channels we have created in different platform. One channel we have created using Microsoft Teams Admin Center. The other channel we have created using PowerShell. The other channel we have created using Microsoft Teams client. And also we have seen how to manage the policies using Microsoft Teams admin centers for the channels. So this is the simple and overview of how the channel works in the Microsoft Teams. So what the last one is, this is the link where you can learn all about these channels in Microsoft Teams. So this link description also, this link also I will give in the description. Just go through it and learn more about the channel in Microsoft Teams under team. Thank you so much. Have a good day.